welcome back to my channel. So karon we're diving into something cool from logic and math, the existential quantifier. So I know it sounds complex, but don't worry, I am here to break it down for you. So let's go. So una, ano sa man ang existential quantifier? Is a fundamental concept in logic and mathematics used to express the existence of at least one element within the given set that satisfy a specific property. It is symbolized by rotated E, which is rotated letter E in a sans-serif fonts. So, what is exactly in existential quantifier? So, in simple terms, adunay usa or there exists one element no nga maka-satisfy o makatuman sa usa kang kondisyon. So in English no, that means there exists no. Imagine na specific role no, and you're just saying that somewhere out there, so there at least one person, thing, or object or even number nga mupit an nga role. So the symbolize we use is rotated E, no? So literally means there exists or at least one or adunay. So let's go. So example number 1. Ang atong statement sa example number 1, there exists a number greater than 5. So there exists a number such as x is greater than 5. So sa man siya? Ang explanation ani kini nga statement no, it means aduna isa ka number nga mas dako pa kay 5 or greater than 5. So let's say for example 6 no, 6 is greater than 5, diba tama? So we can say the statement is true. Ngano mang true man? Actually even number like 7 or 8 also satisfy this condition no, dili kinahanglan nga tanan mas dako pa sa 5. Basta na alay usa ka number nga dako kay 5, mo resulta na sa statement nga true. So solution na is true no, kay they are multiple numbers such 6, 7, 8 nga mas dako pa kay 5. So example number 2, atong statement is there exists a number less than 10. So unsa man siya? So adunay usa ka number na mas gamay kay 10 o less than 10. So for example 5, butang nato nga 5. So this statement is true, manong true man, kay we found a number, the number 5 that is less than 10, di ba? So ang iyang solution 5 is less than 10. So the statement is true. Ngano man kay naka found bantag number nga 5 nga less than 10, which is true. So which is mo nakapahimo sa atong statement nga true. So ang example number 3 nato is kini siya. So statement is there exists a number that can be divided by 3. So ang atong explanation ani is adunay usa ka number nga ma-divide kay 3. So mo resulta siya og ano man whole number. So let's take 9 as an example. Ibutang to ang 9 example. So if you divide 9 by 3, so may result niya. So may resulta, di ba 9 out 3? 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So it is whole number. So therefore the statement is true. Ang iyang solution true. No, 9 divided by 3 equals 3, which is the whole number. So the statement is true. So ang example number 4. So atong statement there exists an object in the room that is red, no? So unsa man siya? Unsa may express ana ni? So aduna isa ka butang sa kwarto o aduna isa ka object sa kwarto nga red o pula. If you look around the room and find a red chair, that satisfy the condition. Ano man? Kay this statement true because we found one object. So mao tong red chair. So ang iyang solution is saman true. Kaya nga naman there is a red chair, nakapound man tag red chair. no? So mo nung nakapahimo sa atong statement nga true. Okay, there is a red chair, so the statement is true. So ang atong example number 5 is there exists an even number greater than 3, no? So there exists x is even and x is greater than 3. So adunay one number nga even nga mas greater than 3 o dako pa kay 3. So let's think of even numbers. 4 is an even number, di ba? And it is greater than 3. So the statement is true. Ano man? Kay we found one number which is 4. Di ba? So that is satisfy the condition. So ang solution na is true. Yung naman, 4 is even and 4 is greater than 3. So true. So the statement is true. So mao ta atong kuan karon guys, no? So I hope na amin sabtan sa atong topic karon nga existential quantifier. Thank you. I hope guys na amoy nasabtan sa atong lesson karon. So there you have it. So existential quantifier are all about finding at least one thing that satisfy a condition, whether it is a number, a solution, an equation, or an object. Basta na lang giusa ka butang mo fit. The statement is true. Thank you.